I'm in here making these lovely injera pancakes. And would you just look at how great these turned out? I've got a few of them here on the platter, and they're nice and pliable. You can fill them with whatever filling. It can be a meat filling, it can be a savory or a sweet filling. And you put your batter on the griddle, and you wait till the pancake is filled with lots of air holes and bubbles. And when the edges just are slightly brown is when you lift it and cover it and turn it, and they will turn out just like these beautiful babies here. Look how lovely that is. Beautifully browned on one side, easy to roll up. And again, these go great with soups, stews, or you can fill them and eat them like a wrap. Fill them with your favorite sandwich filling. So good. These freeze nicely too.